Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to see the hidden names in usage reports. If you are a Office 365 or M365 admin and you want to see the names of the users who are using these Microsoft services, generally you will come to home and click usage, and if you go here you can see all the reports like this. And if you click here view more, you will see the usernames has some random numbers here. Okay, here it is hidden. So if you want to see those exact usernames, just go to navigation menu here and try here settings, go to org settings. On the left side, go to org settings and go to reports. In the reports, on the right side you will get an option like display concealed user group site names in all reports. I don't want here. Remove the tick mark and click save. Okay, once the changes are done, again go back to this usage. Okay, reports, usage, and come down and you can see here some reports. Click here and the usernames, you can see the usernames now here. Okay, so like this you can display the real usernames instead of the hidden names here. Thank you very much.